1960s and 70s, the city Warminster in England was known as a place where UFO sightings kept happening. However, the sightings were not initially flying objects, rather unexplained sounds. The most curious case was of Marjorie Bond, who was on her way home from a Christmas church service when she was knocked to the ground and paralyzed by strange vibrating noises. She described the experience as being pinned down by the invisible fingers of sound. She never recovered. Jared Pedersen and Susan Klingel lived in Dearborn, Michigan with their daughter Nicole. Soon after Nicole turned 2, they were in a car accident and Nicole's mother Susan passed away. Jared then remarried to a woman named Barbara with whom he decided to move, but never saying where to exactly, to his family or his late wife's family. Ever since that move, Nicole was never seen again, and Jared and Barbara were only found to be both committed suicide 20 years later. The only thing left
Shumbor.
It said simply, "I'm sorry for whatever happens to your son." 2 years later, their 12-year-old son Chris was hit by a car while crossing the street on his bike and suffered fatal injuries. The car
these birds are chicken.
To this day, it was never learned who the mysterious Santa Claus was, or if that note was
A bird feeder.
Bird feeder, right?
Yeah.
President Latricia White spending Christmas of 1994 with her boyfriend Lee Wackerhagen and his 9-year-old son, Shannon. Lee was supposed to drop off his son to his mother on Christmas Day, but decided to keep him for a few more days. A few days later, Lee's girlfriend Latricia was found dead in their
You like the
apartment,
snow?
and Lee and his son were never seen again.
We're gonna go out later to play in the snow?
Lee killed Latricia and ran, taking his son with him, but their suspicions were never confirmed, as Lee was never found.
Come to watch.
Maggie, come on.
Everyone who celebrates Christmas knows
Is anybody gonna drink hot chocolate, coffee, and stuff like that
or
over
better known
this?
as Twas the Night Before Christmas. However, the origin of this song is a fair
That's
amount
not
of
a coffee, that's Doritos.
For many years, no one knew who wrote it. A visit from St. Nicholas.
Say bye-bye to the camera.
The Sentinel, a newspaper in New York. First
Maggie, say bye-bye, Maggie.
23rd, 1823. It's still not established.